what's up? It's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. For this week's video, I'm doing another anime look. I'm probably just gonna have a YouTube channel where I do mostly anime looks, but nothing wrong with that because I really enjoy it and I want to make sure that the content I'm putting out is something I actually enjoy. But yeah, for today's video, I am doing Mahito from Jujutsu Kaisen. He is one of the curses as one of the main curse characters in Jujutsu Kaisen, so I thought it'd be fun to do a makeup look for him, but sorry for the long intro, we can just get right into the video. Alright, so before we get started, I just want to mention that I already did my base. If you want to know how I do my base for my makeup routine, you can check out previous videos on my channel, but so far I have my foundation on, my concealer on, contour and highlight, and some powder, and we're just gonna go right into doing the stitch marks on Mahito's face. First, I am taking some water activated eyeliner. You can use liquid eyeliner or whatever is convenient for you, but I found this really easy to use. I've been using this liquid eyeliner or water activated eyeliner kit from Claire's but yeah, it just comes with this brush already, and I'm going in some black ink. And I always test the consistency of the water activated eyeliner on the back of my hand so that I know what it feels like before I put it on my face, if that makes sense. I feel like every time I do anything with water activated eyeliner, I tend to talk a lot more before I begin because I'm nervous on how the look will turn out because I don't want to mess up. But yeah, we're gonna start with the stitch marks. I am gonna start on the neck. So he has 2 stitches on the left side, 2 stitches on the right side. So first, I'm gonna draw those out. Okay, I got these 2 stitch marks, and then I'm gonna draw a line straight through. I'm trying to leave a space between each line because I want to fill it in and add some more depth to the look. I'm gonna connect these first. I feel like doing the lines for Mahito don't have to be super straight or perfect lines because it's supposed to be like a mummy, and I think you'll be okay with not having super thin lines or anything like that. Alright, I'm barely into the video and I already messed up doing my line, but no worries because if you mess up, you can always just wipe it away and redo it, and luckily it was on my neck so not much makeup was on my neck already. For some reason doing my neck was really difficult, but we're gonna move on to doing the other stitches on the face now. I'm gonna start with the same thing of drawing the stitch lines and then figure out where I'm gonna put the lines. So first he has 2 lines in the middle of his eye on this side, or it could be this side, up to you and how you want to do your look really. And then he has 2 stitches right here on this eye, but it's more towards the inner side of the eye. Okay, next I'm gonna do the lines that go horizontal, and it's gonna be right here, so I'm gonna do that. And they're kind of slanted. And the last lines I'm gonna do are gonna be on top of here, doing the same diagonal pattern. He also has some lines here, but since I have bangs, I'm just gonna cover up and not do that part. Alright, so I placed where I want all of the 2 staples basically on my face, and now I'm just gonna connect them all with some lines. Okay, before I continue doing the line on this side, I don't want these lines to overlap each other, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the lines right here so that I can figure out where I want each line to end. Because this one goes on top of this horizontal line. Okay, this line that goes down here doesn't go straight down. It goes straight down up to here and then it curves in, so just wanted to note that. Alright, so the storyboard is over. I don't know why, but every time I do any eyeliner looks, I get super nervous, even though I do like a ton of videos on these. But yeah, all the lines are down. I feel like I messed up a little bit on the neck, but that's alright. We're gonna go ahead and continue adding more details to the stitches now. So I'm just taking this like dark green color. I didn't want to do black because I didn't want to add too much shadow to it. And I'm taking this C-curve eyeshadow brush. It looks like this. And I'm taking a little bit of that eyeshadow and now I'm gonna fill in the space between the lines. Okay, and taking the same brush, I'm gonna go in with this silvery color right here and dust a little bit over that in random places throughout the lines to add some more depth. It's kind of adding like a little bit highlight and shine. Sometimes I forget that I'm recording and I completely forgot if my camera stopped or not, but I added some eyeshadow to the lines. I ended up adding some more silver eyeshadow over the green eyeshadow I added to add some more depth and highlight to the lines. But now I'm gonna do the eye look. I am taking some e.l.f. putty primer for the eyes, and I'm gonna put that over my eyelid. I want my pigments to really show, so I'm adding some primer this time. Alright, now I'm just gonna take this fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna start with black and I'm gonna put that in the outer corners of my eyes. I'm not gonna put on too much because I want to build in the color, so I'm gonna start off with just a little bit and go from there. And just going in a circular motion to kind of blend it out. And doing the same on the other side. I want it slightly angled out, but I'm not too worried about having a super angled eyeshadow look. Okay, now taking a different fluffy brush. I'm just calling all eyeshadow brushes that are fluffy like this fluffy. I'm going in with this like grayish color right here, and I'm gonna do that in the inner part of the eyes. And I'm trying to blend the two colors together so that it's more seamless. I'm also going to add a little bit of the gray on top of the black right here so that it blends out easier into my eye. Okay, I'm going to take a different brush and try to make the black fade better into the top part of my eyelid. So I'm going in with a different brush and this like nude shade. I'm gonna dust that right over the eyeshadow. Alright, next to add, of course, a little bit glitter. I just love using glitter in makeup. I'm gonna go in with this like purple glittery shade. It's a darker like gray mix. And I'm gonna go in with my pinky and I'm just gonna lightly tap this on top of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna mainly try to get it on the lower part of my lid. This just adds a little bit more dimension to the makeup look. It adds the slightest amount of detail, but I like it, so I'm just gonna stick with it. Now I'm gonna go in with this dewy eyeshadow from N Cosmetics. I'm gonna take a smaller brush, and this is a shade, and I'm just gonna put this in my inner corners. Just slightly. Alright, so I'm all done with the eye look, but to finish off the makeup look, I'm gonna use a new product that I got recently, and I did a review of it on my last video, but it's the Freck Beauty Slime Light in the shade Space And I'm just gonna add some highlight over my whole look. So a little bit in the brow bone area. I'm gonna put a little dot in on my nose on the bottom and just a little bit on top. I was gonna put some on my cupid's bow. And of course the highlight right here on my cheek. I forgot to add one more thing to the eyelids, so I'm gonna do that now before I finish off the whole makeup look. But I'm gonna add some white eyeliner on the bottom of my waterline, or on my waterline, to make my eyes pop out a little bit. Alright, so I'm all done with the makeup look, but I'm just gonna throw on some quick lashes and do something with my lips, and we'll go see the final look. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. I really loved how it turned out, but you can let me know what you think about the look in the comments down below, and also leave a suggestion for future videos. But if you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you want to keep up with the content that I'm putting out. You can also check out all my social links, which are in the description down below. I have an Instagram and TikTok where I've been posting all of these anime looks. And I also have a Twitch channel where I've been streaming Animal Crossing lately, so if you're into that, you can head over there. But yeah, I hope to see you next week, and hope you enjoy this video. Bye!